Usually excluded are maintenance charges, oil changes, inspections, and so on, and the cost to replace so-called wear and tear items, including a vehicle's brake pads, belts, hoses, and battery. So if you're buying a new car or truck, or something used that's out of warranty, picking one that's cheaper to keep running can save a large chunk of money over the long haul. How much can you save by picking a model that's less expensive to work on in the first place? Honda Civic. Redesigned for 2022, the compact Civic is offered in sedan and hatchback models that run from basic to luxurious, though the sportiest variants are taking the model year off. It boasts a well-earned reputation for reliability. 10-year cost, $5,245. Annual costs, $183, $504 in first 5 years, but rises to hit to $977 by year 10. Chance of needing a major repair, 15.57%. Mitsubishi Mirage G4. The Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is the sedan alternative to the Mirage hatchback. It remains cheap to buy and own, making it a good fit if you'd rather have a traditional trunk instead of a hatch. 10-year cost, $5,254. Annual costs are affordable at $400 or less for the first 5 years. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.00%. Nissan Versa. The affordable Nissan Versa subcompact sedan is a solid choice for those on a budget. It's nicely designed, meets basic needs, and is affordable to both purchase and own. It also has standard automatic emergency braking on all models, making it a decent choice for new drivers. 10-year cost, $5,331. Annual costs, first year charges at $173, but it cracks $1,000 in a decade. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.43%. Mazda 3. With all-wheel drive newly standard for added security over wet or snowy roads, the compact Mazda 3 is now fun to drive in all 4 seasons, with nimble handling and peppy power. As before, it's offered in sedan and hatchback versions. 10-year cost, $5,409. Annual costs, expect nominal increases until a jump at year 7. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.22%. Honda Accord. Still, a strong seller even as the market has shifted away from sedans to SUVs, the midsize Accord is roomy, comfortable, and a pleasing performer. It's powered by either of 2 4-cylinder engines that afford an economical and reliable operation. 10-year cost, $5,412. Annual costs, fairly steady increases, with a boost at year 7. Chance of needing a major repair, 15.7%. Toyota CHR. The subcompact Toyota CHR SUVs comes wrapped in distinctive-looking exterior styling some might find too busy for their tastes. Unlike most crossover SUVs, the CHR is strictly a front-wheel drive model, with no all-wheel drive option. 10-year cost, $5,425. Annual costs, consistent with the class, costing around $700 over the first 3 years. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.08%. Nissan Sentra. Not the most exciting ride on the road, the compact Nissan Sentra is nonetheless efficient and is a reasonably comfortable and reliable small car. 10-year cost, $5,441. Annual costs, typical among small cars, running from under $200 to over $1,000 in the first decade. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.43. LEXUS S350. The midsize Lexus S comes with the lowest maintenance and repair costs of all non-electric luxury cars. It's not as fun to drive as some costly European imports, but it transports up to 5 passengers with a smooth ride and a comfy cabin. 10-year cost, $5,488. Annual costs, maintenance and repair charges are most affordable for the first 5 years, then climb more steeply uphill from there. Chance of needing a major repair, 15.13%. Toyota RAV4. Popular compact crossover SUV excels in most areas. It's smartly styled, is sufficiently roomy and comfortable, performs well, gets good fuel economy, and has a solid reputation for reliability. 10-year cost, $5,531. Annual costs, they're most affordable through the warranty period, then rise gradually through years 4 to 6. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.08%. Nissan Altima. The midsize Nissan Altima sedan affords decent performance and a roomy cabin with the automaker's comfortable zero-gravity seats. It offers a semi-autonomous, albeit hands-on, highway driving system. 10-year cost, $5,561. Annual costs. Costs rise the most in year 7 and later, winding up over $1,000 in year 10. Chance of needing a major repair, 16.43%. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.